Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be talking about another platform where you can actually go and mine some crypto. This time it's called NiceHash, okay, and the website is nicehash.com. Very important, guys. You have to use the right websites. Okay, bear in mind that there's so many other websites which might mimic this one, but look like the same like any other project. Always use the legitimate address, right? So nice hash, right? Okay, so what is this, right? Before we start, just have to mention that this is not a financial advice. Everything what I say here, it's only for entertainment and educational purposes, right? Okay, so now nice hash, okay, nice hash rate, Bitcoin payments, mining, right? That's what it does, right? So first, mine the block with easy mining, your one-click crypto mining solution. Okay, so what you can do with it, okay, basically you're just going to mine the crypto, right, like Bitcoin. So you can try easy mining and validate your own blocks the blockchain. Okay, so that's what they call it, easy mining, and it's apparently the world's most innovative, unique, and simple way to mine crypto. Okay, start one-click mining crypto journey today. Okay, so you just need to log in and you start you start mining those blocks. Okay, so how to give it a try? Okay, mine the block. So simply purchase a package from your easy mining dashboard. Once sign up to our platform, sit back and wait for the mining run to finish. Okay, and you also can go and try the packages, right? And apparently there is 9 blocks with easy mining. Okay, that's how many there were already created. Okay, so what is easy mining? Okay, it's original concept of mining. You validate blocks of cryptocurrency transactions with your own computing power and get a reward for your work. But mining has evolved as much that now very large pools, groups of computer power, make it much harder for miners to mine a block on their own, since you are competing against much larger operations and they are split the rewards amongst all their miners. Okay, but what if you could sum up all the hash power and demand and use it to mine, right? So why is mining? Okay, so this is exactly what NiceHash does, right? Okay, so it's a pool mining, okay, versus easy mining, right? So we provide a hash power of other miners so that you can use it to try and mine a block yourself. Mining, you potentially get the whole block reward, okay, and not have to share it with anyone. Okay, so that's what they call it when it comes to this is mining. So that's in a nutshell how it works. Okay, so FAQs, what is actually happening behind the scenes? Okay, you are buying computing power in order to validate transactions of cryptocurrency in the process called mining, right? And you can also obviously you got all those the informations where what does it mine to mine cryptocurrencies, what is blockchain and how does it work. Okay, all those informations are here attached to this documentation, right? And there are other things which you can go ahead and read it through. Okay, I just want to go quickly and show you also where is this pricing. Okay, so pricing, for example, okay, so if you all available are going to coins, you can buy hashing power for and their current prices on the market price. Note that you can start with a minimum order of 0.001 Bitcoin, and orders duration can no longer shorter than 1 day. Okay, so there you go. This is what you are getting. Okay, and that's the whole pricing is over obviously here available for you guys. Okay, so you can go ahead and start just do some research on it. Obviously you just need to do your own research. Do not just go blindly jump into it and without checking it before. Okay, so by hash rate, okay, use the words more powerful hash rates marketplace to mine the coins of your choice. Okay, I gave you the idea just one slide ago. So no hardware, no problem. Okay, and you can also with this app with this nicehash.com, you can run your own business by accepting Bitcoin. Okay, NiceHash Pay is the all-in-one Bitcoin payment solution for merchants. Okay, so if you had a business, you want to accept the payments in Bitcoin, you can definitely go and check it out. This ones, okay, they also can provide you with this with the solution, right? So guys, what I think, let me see, what else do I want to go and want to show you. Okay, so computer power. Okay, CPU, GPU mining, and Bitcoin by mining on NiceHash with your GPU or CPU. Okay, so quick miner, NiceHash miner. Okay, what's the difference? Okay, very easy to use, yet powerful auto switching mining software that is 100% in-house developed, recommended for beginners and new users. Right, and legendary auto switching allows third-party miner plugins and advanced customization. Okay, so this is also available here. Okay, NiceHash operating systems. You know, it's called NiceHash OS, a free Linux mining operating system for unlimited number of rigs. Okay, so guys, this is something which those guys actually they followed through, right? So it's something which you guys might be interesting more if you want to, for example, do your own some sort of mining infrastructure. Okay, they can also provide you with the operating system for it, right? So I think that's all what I want to cover in this video, okay, regarding NiceHash. There's also alternative to it, okay, it's go mining. I covered it in the previous video. I think the go mining is quite it's very popular. Okay, so let's have a look here. Okay, the 1.9 million people visiting this NiceHash website, okay, on a monthly basis. When it comes to the Go mining, okay, it's 1.3 million, okay, so obviously a little bit more popular is this one, NiceHash, in comparison to Go mining, but still, people actually start using those platforms more and more often. Okay, and I think from my perspective, by looking into both of those ideas, I think go mining is actually it's a little bit easier to use. Okay, so you can start from with a 22.99. Okay, and you can go from there. Okay, I covered everything in a previous video, so I highly encourage you to go ahead and check this one out. Okay, so guys, I think that's all what I want to cover here. I encourage you to go and look into both of those platforms and do your own research. Okay, and if you have any questions, just leave it down below. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you can subscribe to my channel, it will be much appreciated. Thank you very much for watching.